Good morning. Today we're going to do an unboxing, and this is the box. Got it on Amazon. So it should be a knife, but let's find out. Got my unboxing knife here. Got to always cut away from you because you don't want to cut yourself, that's for sure. So anyway, since I bought the 80 acres of land, I'm going to need to be doing some camping out there to see how things are going, or see what things are like out in the desert. So I'll be doing that, what they call it, bushcrafting. So when I looked at bushcrafting videos on YouTube, they say get a big ass knife, and this is my big ass knife. There's a guy named AlfieAesthetics. I'll put his link into the description. He is absolutely hilarious, but he has this knife, and he made me realize that maybe I should buy it. So anyway, I got the BKT Ka-Bar. I don't know what that means, but it's from the BKR Knife Company. Work for a living. I hope you guys can read that. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I have to hurry up with this video because my battery's about to die. I forgot to charge my camera last night. Don't know why that is. Anyway, let's look at it. I guess it's made in the USA. All right. Good to know. That looks really nice. The picture they have on there with the knife, yeah. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you can. That looks really nice. So, don't know if I can get it closer. There you go. All right. So let's see. Let's open this up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Any day now. Any day. There we go. Oh. Okay. Everything's kind of loose in there. Kind of. All right. Big box. Big knife, but obviously the box is way bigger for it. I guess they wanted to get that picture in there. And this is the actual knife. With a nice little sheath on there. Well, a cardboard sheath. And, oh. Wow. Look at that. Look here. Let's compare it to this guy. This is a 4-inch blade. And this is I guess a 7-inch blade, because it's the BK7. That's really nice. Look at that thing. And the other difference here is this one is a folding knife. So you can flip it open like that. Or if you want to get really dangerous, you could, this one's really silly. You can go like you can flick it open like that. Crazy. This is a fixed blade. So the blade goes all the way through. Wow, that looks nice. I really like the way this thing looks with the black and the black. And I guess this is for like putting your thumb there. And oh, I'm going to have fun with this thing. Look at this thing. It's awesome. It is awesome. Okay. I'm getting more and more impressed with myself every time I buy something like this. Comes with instructions. I guess that's if you wear it in a little bit. Get a little patina going. Probably the care of the knife as well. But, oh wow, it opens up. Oh, wow, I guess you can do all kinds of things with this thing as far as customization goes. Yeah, the same thing. Yeah, I guess I can do all kinds of things with it. Oh no, this is a different knife because I don't have that unless I can get it. I need to be careful with the knife because I don't want to hurt myself. And this is the sheath. I heard it's not that great. They say it's too big. It doesn't really hold the knife in place except for through a snap. So get it worn in, I guess, or maybe break it in. Oops. Oh, okay. Doesn't seem too bad. Got a little pouch here. Oh, what's in there? Oh no, it's got a little pouch there. You can see this. It's got a little pouch here. Kind of nice. I don't know what that is. But yeah, it seems kind of nice. Got the pouch. Belt loop. Oh, Velcro boat. Oh, Velcro and snap. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, it's like a standard camera thing. You know, I don't see a problem with it. Okay, so if I need to get the knife out, go like that, pull it out, good to go. So I'll be demonstrating this later. And what I did bring, piece of paper, Let's see how well it cuts this thing. See how sharp it is right off the bat. I guess I need to maybe sharpen it. Oh. I'm putting no pressure on there at all. Wow, this thing is really sharp. I need to be really careful with this because I do not want to get hurt. It's nice. I really, really like this knife. Just I haven't even used it yet, and I'm in love with it because it's so badass looking. All right, so put this one away. This one just seems kind of inadequate now. All right, so that's the review for, the opening. I'll be reviewing it later. I'll be cutting up some palm trees with it, or palm limbs. What do you call those things? Pom-poms? No, palm tree palms? Whatever. Okay, I'm done. The battery survived. If you're, I'm glad it didn't die on me because it has been dying. I need to go get it charged up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will talk to you again when I do the demonstration on this. Thanks. Bye.